Alright, this is on a lucky spin, guys. Going after that major. 2-cent denom, $2 bet. Got a 4-lantern bonus on a lucky spin. You can see the grand is at 17, 135, 65. Minus 100, and it's 20. It's a $15 scatter. A lucky best. Let's see what we can do. Oh, more than 15. What was that? 30. Oh, right, because it's on 2 cent. Come on, get me in. Come on now. Something big, something big. Let's see what we got here. Full screen. Full screen of something. All right, for a free bonus, that wasn't bad.